All right, guys, today we're going to take a look at this lighting system that was sent out to me for review. Now, these LED lights are designed for you to put them behind your television. They will react to sound. They will react to the motion or the show that's on your television. It comes with everything in this little box that you're going to need to get started and to set it up. Very, very simple setup. So let's take a look at what exactly comes in the box. All right, guys, as you can see here, this is what we get in the box. So starting off, you're going to get your manual. This is going to give you the basic instructions of how to set this up and connect it to your television. Very simple, easy to read, not that many pages. So you guys should be able to go through this relatively easily. If I can do it, trust me, you can do it. All right. So you also get this little controlling unit. Now, this is going to give you your ability to connect this to your television. You're going to have your HDMI in, your HDMI out. You're also going to have your power in. So that's where you're going to plug in your, where you're going to plug into the actual lights themselves. Now, it comes with this little power brick that just plugs in right here in the back. And you have additional USB-Cs here on the back. Now, it also comes with a full HDMI to HDMI cable, and it also comes with some of these little 3M little stickies that you're going to use to adhere this to the back of your monitor. So pretty much everything you need is in the box, guys. So let's take a look at the actual light itself. So it comes on this nice little spool, as you see here, and the first thing you notice is that you do have a USB-C right here on the end. This is the part that's going to plug into this little box right here. And, you know, you get quite a long cable with this as well. So if we pop this off, you guys can see the cable itself is long enough for you to route it pretty much anywhere you need to. And then you have the actual LED lights themselves. And as you can see here, we do have that 3M tape on here. That's how you're going to adhere this to the back of your monitor or your television. And yeah, really nice design. Now, depending on the size of your television, you'll probably have to do a little bit of cutting, you know, just to get it exactly where you want it. But once you have it, you know, in the shape that you want it to go into, you're going to be solid with this, guys. So definitely, you know, if you're looking to add a little bit of accent, you know, something to your game room, adding some light to your television just to be a little bit more immersive in the movies that you're watching, this could be an ideal setup. So you get pretty much everything you need in the box. You're going to get your LED lights. You're going to get your HDMI cable, and this is a relatively thick cable. So let me show you guys that real quick. Let me just pop this out. All right, so you guys can see here, you actually get a very nice full-size HDMI to full-size HDMI cable. And then, like I said, you get the power brick. This is just going to plug right into this unit, which is this. Now, this is plasticky. It is very lightweight. But, you know, for the most part, if you're going to be setting this up behind a television, you don't want something that's heavy. And you probably don't want something that's metal because that has a tendency to conduct heat, heat being an issue. So I don't see... Yeah, so we got a lot of venting here on the back. So I can see that. So it is designed to vent. So you probably won't have any problems with this overheating. And we do have our little rubber feet underneath here as well. So I think this is a really nice little design, guys, a really nice little kit. Everything you need to get started is right here in the box, you know, your manual, everything else. So, you know, I think this is going to be ideal. I'm going to probably set this up and connect this to one of my televisions and see how it goes. So I'll report back to you guys in a future video when I do a full installation of this. So look forward to that. I'll be doing a video soon showing exactly step-by-step how to install this on your television. But until then, my lovelies, stay safe out there, wash your hands, take care of yourself, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace. I'm out.